Imagine this. A major e-commerce platform handling millions of transactions daily suddenly grinds to a halt. Customer data is exposed, reputations are shattered, and financial losses skyrocket into the tens of millions. This isn't a hypothetical nightmare, it's the harsh reality of a cloud data breach, like the one that hit a well-known retailer a few years back, where misconfigured cloud storage buckets left sensitive information wide open to attackers. In today's digital landscape, where businesses migrate en masse to the cloud, such vulnerabilities are not just risks, they're ticking time bombs waiting to explode. As we delve into the world of cloud security engineering, it's essential to understand what this role truly entails. A cloud security engineer is the guardian of digital assets in cloud environments, designing, implementing, and maintaining security measures that protect data, applications, and infrastructure from threats. This profession has surged in demand because of the explosive growth in cloud adoption. With organizations like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud dominating the market, the shift from on-premises systems to cloud-based ones has created a fertile ground for cyber threats. Industry reports indicate that over 90% of enterprises now use cloud services, yet a staggering number face security incidents due to human error or oversight. The role is trending because it bridges the gap between traditional IT security and the dynamic, scalable nature of the cloud, making it indispensable for any forward-thinking tech team. To appreciate the value of a cloud security engineer, let's first examine the pitfalls of the old way of handling security in legacy systems. In the pre-cloud era, companies relied on physical data centers with firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and manual access controls. Picture a fortress with high walls and a moat, secure but rigid and costly to maintain. Scaling meant buying more hardware, which could take months, and security was often an afterthought, bolted on rather than integrated. For instance, in a traditional banking setup, sensitive customer data was stored on servers behind a corporate firewall. However, as transactions grew, adding more servers led to configuration drift, where inconsistencies in security policies across machines created exploitable gaps. Attackers could infiltrate through a single weak point, like an outdated patch on one server, compromising the entire network. Moreover, compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA was a nightmare, involving endless audits and paperwork, with little agility to adapt to new threats. This siloed approach not only stifled innovation, but also escalated costs, as dedicated security teams struggled to keep pace with evolving attack vectors, from phishing to insider threats. Now let's uncover how cloud security engineering transforms this landscape under the hood. At its core, it's about architecting security as code, embedding protective measures into the very fabric of cloud infrastructure. Think of it like building a smart city instead of a static fortress. Every building or resource is designed with security in mind, connected through intelligent networks that adapt in real time. The workflow begins with Identity and Access Management, or IAM, where engineers use tools like AWS IAM or Azure Active Directory to enforce the principle of least privilege. This means users and services get only the permissions they need, nothing more, like giving a delivery driver a key to the mailbox, but not the front door. Diving deeper, encryption plays a pivotal role. In the cloud, data is encrypted at rest and in transit using algorithms like AES 256, managed through services such as AWS KMS. But it's not just about locking data, it's about key rotation and management to prevent breaches. Network security evolves too, with virtual private clouds, or VPCs, segmenting resources, much like zoning in a city to isolate residential from industrial areas. Firewalls become cloud native, like AWS security groups, which act as dynamic filters, allowing traffic based on rules that can auto-scale with workloads. Monitoring and logging are the eyes and ears of the operation. Tools like Splunk or Azure Sentinel aggregate logs from across the cloud, using machine learning to detect anomalies. Imagine a vigilant neighborhood watch that alerts authorities to suspicious activity before a crime occurs. Compliance automation ensures that configurations meet standards through continuous scanning with tools like AWS Config, flagging deviations instantly. To illustrate the architecture in action, consider a before and after scenario in a healthcare enterprise migrating patient records to the cloud. Before, on-premises servers held encrypted data, but access was managed via spreadsheets and manual approvals, leading to delays and errors. A phishing attack once exploited a sysadmin's credentials, exposing records and triggering a regulatory fine. After, the cloud security engineer redesigns the system using zero-trust architecture. Every access request is verified, regardless of origin, through multi-factor authentication and just-in-time privileges. Data is stored in encrypted S3 buckets with lifecycle policies that automatically archive or delete old files. A CI/CD pipeline integrates security scans, ensuring code deployments are vulnerability-free. When a similar phishing attempt occurs, anomaly detection in the monitoring dashboard flags unusual login patterns, triggering automated quarantines and alerts. The result? Response time drops from hours to minutes. Compliance audits become automated reports, and the system scales seamlessly during peak flu seasons without adding hardware. This implementation unlocks profound benefits. Scalability becomes effortless. As workloads spike, security controls scale too, without proportional cost increases. Security postures improve dramatically. Studies show cloud environments with dedicated engineers reduce breach risks by up to 50% through proactive threat hunting. Cost efficiency shines through shared responsibility models, where providers handle physical security, freeing engineers to focus on application-level defenses. In our healthcare example, post-migration, the organization not only avoided fines, but also innovated with secure AI-driven diagnostics, processing data faster while maintaining HIPAA compliance. Looking ahead, the future of cloud security engineering is intertwined with emerging technologies like quantum computing and AI-driven threats. As quantum tech advances, engineers will need to adopt post-quantum cryptography to safeguard against decryption attacks. AI will both empower defenses through predictive analytics and pose risks like deepfake-enabled social engineering. To prepare, aspiring professionals should master certifications like AWS Security Specialty or CCSP and gain hands-on experience with tools like Terraform for infrastructure as code. Building a portfolio of secure cloud projects will set you apart in this booming field, projected to grow by 20% annually. What cloud platforms are you securing in your current tech stack, and what challenges are you facing? Drop a comment below and let's discuss how to fortify them.